Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make a super simple and cheap chocolate pudding. To a pan, we're going to add 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. We're going to mix it all up together. Now we're going to add 4 1/2 cups of milk. Whisk until combined. My cocoa powder is pretty hydrophobic, so it's not going to mix in well until it starts cooking. So we're going to cook this over medium heat, and we're going to stir constantly until it starts to boil. Now that it's starting to boil, we're going to let it boil for 1 minute. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to allow the pudding to cool. We're going to stir occasionally to avoid a skin forming as it cools. And now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a darn good chocolate pudding. Really easy to make. It cost us right at $7 to make, and it serves 8 people, so that's less than $1 per serving. Can't go wrong with that. You can eat it hot, or let it sit in the fridge overnight, eat it the next day, and it'll be nice and cold. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.